Well, good morning, my friends. This is how I start off my day. I'm in my truck right now. This paper here is the flip. I have to flip my chassis due to has a bad brake chamber. Like, wow. So right now I just called a guy, nobody answered. So then I don't know what to do now. Just gotta wait. See one of the big Chevy in the back? Way in the back there, see the butter bottom one? He came out, so I have no brakes, but I'm able to move my box over here to the big station. Hopefully the guy will come help me pretty soon. I called him twice already, but nobody's here. That's what the guy needs to do. They're gonna hook up to my box and take my box over there, and then I'll drive under it and put in a new chassis. That's my box right there. And this is how my morning goes. And then I'm ready to go. My truck's behind this box because, and then he will, come over and hook up my box and drive under the crane or the big forklift over there. This is my new chassis. It's good to go. It got a green pack right there. And now I just gotta wait. I called him twice. I left a message twice, but no answer. So hopefully he'll be here soon. All the lights are working beautifully. I already checked the tires, it's all good. Before I pour it over here, of course. Yes. This is my new chassis. I hope your morning's better than mine. My appointment's at 5, and right now it's like 5:30 almost. And I'm still here waiting for them to come over and collect. And I know they'll take my little appointment. We'll see what happens.